See that? Hey, what's up, everybody, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Also, welcome back to another amazing science experiment. In today's video, we will be making blobs in a bottle. Yeah, so what do we need? First, we need a vegetable oil. So this one right here is expired. So you don't want to waste your mother's vegetable oil, you know. So this one is expired. You can use the expired vegetable oil. Leave this right here. Second, you need the water. Then you need a funnel, a food coloring. You can get this at Walmart. We also need an Alka-Seltzer, like a fizzing tablet. So I got Alka-Seltzer. It is a fizzing tablet. And a bottle of 1 liter. You can get a soda bottle or a water bottle. Just make it 1 liter. Yeah, so let's get started. First, let's make sure the bottle is clean, nothing inside. Make it empty. So you have to pour the water inside the 1 liter. Okay, pour it inside. Okay, you see there's a line right here. You can pour it out until it gets to the line. I just need a little more. Ooh, okay, I got some right here. Just a little bit. That should be good. Yeah. Yeah, so we get our water. Boom. So the next thing we have to do is to pour the vegetable oil inside the bottle. Okay. So yeah, that's when we need the funnel. Take the funnel, put it right here. And vegetable oil. Okay, you have to be careful so it doesn't pour on you. So you have to pour the vegetable oil to like fill it up. Yeah, so I'm done with that. So after pouring the vegetable oil, as you'll see, there are some bubbles inside. So we have to wait for a while. So all these bubbles have to go first. So like I'm just gonna keep it down for like an hour or 2 hours. Yeah, so as you all see, the water and the vegetable oil doesn't mix. In chemistry, this is called intermolecular polarity. So the water doesn't mix with the vegetable oil. So we have to wait for 2 hours and we'll be back.
2 hours later.
Yeah, so after waiting for 2 hours, now all the bubbles are gone. And you all see that's the water down there and this is the vegetable oil. So the next thing we have to do is, okay, let's get the food coloring. You can get this in Walmart too. We got 4 different colors: blue, red, green, and yellow. Ta-da! So let me see, which one should I use? Green is my best color, but I think we have a very good reaction with red, so I'll go with red. Okay, let's put it inside. Okay, open the bottle. Okay, now let's put it inside. I'm just gonna put everything. Yeah, so I just put the old red food coloring inside. So if you all can see this, the food coloring is not gonna mix with the granite oil. It's going all the way down and it's mixing with the water. You see, it's mixing down here with the water. Yeah, so now to get the blobs, you need the Alka-Seltzer. I'm just gonna like open the. I got this from Walmart too. Okay, that's good. Okay, it's too big, so let's break it. Okay, so now you take the Alka-Seltzer and put it inside, and it's gonna make the blobs. See that? Let's put some more. Woo! Wow, this is amazing. See? Woo! No, 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 no. Okay, let me close the bottle. Wow. Isn't this amazing? See the beautiful blobs. Ooh. Wow. Let me show you guys this. Yeah, so how long is it gonna continue? Like how long is the blob gonna continue doing in the bottle? As you can see right now, it has stopped, so that's like 2 minutes. So what you have to do is, anytime you want to make the blobs comes out, you take another Alka-Seltzer and you put it inside. Let me show you guys. It's gonna the blob is gonna come out again, which is so beautiful. Okay, open up the bottle. And again. And that's it. It's coming out again. Woo! Beautiful. So cool. Wow. See? That is so cool. Wow. And it's gonna be so cool like in the night. Just put it in your room and the color is just gonna like make the room so beautiful. You guys should go try this too. You can try with any color. I don't have much bottles. I should have like tried in different colors. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you all in my next video. Thank you so much for watching, and make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Make sure you like this video so more people can get the content to see and learn how to make a blob in a bottle. Also, comment down below to let me know if you want to try it, or if you try it, and let me know how you feel, like how cool this is. I'm gonna be so happy if you click the subscribe button and like my video. You can also go to my description down below to follow me on my social medias: Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, TikTok, and yeah, follow me. And you can click right here for my playlist and right here for my previous video, and click my picture right here to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Thank you so much. Konsamita. Annyeong.